Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a crab. Let's start off by drawing a triangle with one rounded corner for the front leg. Then, mirror that over here for the other front leg. After that, draw a sharp C shape here with a tall V shape for the next leg. Mirror that on the other side. And finally, one more V shape in between for the back leg. And mirror that again on the other side. For the claws, draw a big sideways teardrop shape just above the legs. Then, draw two lines going up, tapering outward. And for the claw, a really big curved teardrop shape with an upside down V shape here to finish it off. Did you know that crabs can have different sized claws? When one arm gets hurt, we'll break it off and grow a new one. Next, we can draw the body with a wide curve along the bottom like so. And for the top, a short line going up, a wide curve to the other side, and a short line going back down. For the eyes, draw two small dots on the top curve like so. Lastly, two small U shapes here and here for the mouth. And now you've got a crab. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.